Lunatic Squad. It's your girl Black Lunatic, and I'm back with another video. And I'm with your girl. Yeah. Oh, period. And that's on period. And that's on period. So we've got a dance tutorial for you guys. Second one, same day, Namang. You are lying. So this time we'll be dancing to
Khuza, gogo, Khuza.
So we posted it on my reel. On your reel as well, ne?
Yeah.
Well, don't matter. We have a routine to Khuza Gogo and we're teaching it to you guys. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow us on our social media platforms.
Baby fat.
Okay, so for Khuza Gogo, we're gonna do the same thing that we did. We paradise. I'm gonna teach one move. She's gonna teach the other, and in the end, it's gonna be one thing. Do you understand? Oh, you know what I mean? Okay, so the first move for our Khuza Gogo was you tap, tap, and then tap, and then you jump. When you're jumping, make sure you jump 3 times. Okay, so it's tap, tap. You see? Literally. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's go. Tap, tap, 1. You see? Tap, tap. What are you doing, much?
I'm trying to do it right.
Oh no, you can't. Okay, I can't do it with my right. So you do it with the leg that she can do it. She clearly also can't do it with the other leg.
Okay.
So it's tap, tap, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then the second move.
Evolution again. From your 3 chapters, you spread your legs and you touch you down. No, when I mean down, I mean passy. Down. So you open, you touch. You must have balance, please. Don't fall on me. Spread and fall short.
What you must keep in mind, ne? So it's easier. Don't hold your leg till you down, because then you're gonna fall. So you could literally just touch and then so that they don't fall.
Ah! Oh, it's that.
Okay, yeah. So immediately when you come up, I feel like you must finish that one up because it's with the motion. 1.
Okay, like me. I think you know how to do the lemonade thingy. But
that's not
you
complicated.
just 1. But you're moving. You're making it with vibe. See, vibe. I don't mean to do it like that.
After that, see, that's the. Ne?
Yeah.
Okay, at that you have a pause. So in that pause, whatever you do is up to you. Okay? And then we come back for the legs. So you go tap, tap, tap. That's
Go
it.
down.
So what do you do? Tap, tap, tap. You see? So we're gonna come back. You see? And then you incorporate Babale's style, like Lunatic's favorite style. What do you do?
Take a look. As let's have them. Take a look. You go yeah.
Okay. So let's go.
Kabula juice.
Come again. Okay. I think she should teach you guys. No, we actually taught it properly in the Paradise. So we're not gonna give you all the info about how to do it. You're gonna go check Paradise. How did we say you do it on the Paradise video? Okay. So after coming back from my turn around because I do it better that way, and then you.
Oh, and then you. Kabula juice.
See? So how do you do that style? Go watch our Paradise video to find out. So all in all, how do we go? 1, 2, start. Khuza Gogo, Khuza. Khuza Gogo, Khuza. Khuza Gogo, Khuza. Khuza Gogo. How do you do that? Okay. So with the going down, we taught how to actually go down on our Paradise video. So watch all videos.
Stay tuned. Please like, share,
Yes.
and comment, and please subscribe.
Because why not? and then follow both of us on our pages because why not?
On Instagram, I'm babyface_warmed out. Oh,
And then
yeah.
I am black_lunatic everywhere. Instagram black_lunatic
Everywhere.
everywhere. Okay.